In this first eerie stillness Ring doorbell clip, a distressed-looking lady stands in front of someone's door. Her demeanor suggests she may be under the influence or grappling with worry. She rings the doorbell, and after a tense pause, she abruptly heads towards a parked car, seemingly compelled to try her hand at breaking in. The motives behind her actions remain enigmatic as she eventually departs from the scene, leaving behind an aura of uncertainty in the darkness.
The door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
You can do it now.
Let me in. What's really going on?
In this intriguing Ring doorbell clip, our cameras capture a moment of confrontation as a vigilant homeowner catches a lady in the act. The lady had brazenly approached the house and seized a package that had been left outside. However, her actions don't go unnoticed, and the homeowner swiftly intervenes, questioning her motives. Faced with the homeowner's inquiry, the lady has no choice but to abandon the package and hastily depart from the scene.
Sell it?
No, we don't know.
You don't know whose bike that is? I mean,
No.
whose car that is in the back?
No. Is that?
The black one. That's in the
No.
back?
No.
Try the back one in the back house.
Yeah.
But I'm Adam's friend. Hi.
Yeah, it's
You know who Adam is, right? Oh no, I wasn't taking it, sir.
yeah. Well, I saw you taking it, and I'm recording it.
In this startling and audacious Ring doorbell clip, our cameras capture the actions of two individuals as they pull up in a car and make their way to someone's front door. With apparent determination, they approach the door, and to our shock, they successfully break into the house. In this sudden and unsettling intrusion Ring doorbell clip, our cameras capture the moment when an uninvited guest confidently walks into someone's home, his intentions shrouded in mystery. The homeowner, driven by the need to protect his family and property, promptly intervenes, chasing the stranger out in the interest of security.
You walk in the front door again, I have a right to kill you. Better get the out of here.
In this captivating Ring doorbell clip, we witness a delivery lady diligently fulfilling her duty to deliver a package to a specified address. However, amidst the task, an unexpected twist unfolds. Her vehicle, inadvertently left in gear, begins to creep forward, prompting a race against time. Watch as she hastily rushes back to prevent the vehicle from causing any further damage, turning what should have been a routine delivery into a moment of unexpected action and quick thinking. In this bizarre and unnerving Ring doorbell encounter, a perplexing scene where a man stands stark naked in front of someone's door, gripping a menacing machete. His presence raises immediate alarm, as his intentions remain shrouded in mystery. After an unsettling pause, he inexplicably departs, leaving the homeowner bewildered and searching for answers. In this disquieting Ring doorbell encounter, a woman boldly walks up to someone's front door with intentions veiled in darkness. She makes her presence known by attempting to obscure the camera's view, signaling her nefarious motives. Undeterred by the security measures, she relentlessly tries to break into the house, but her attempts prove futile. Faced with the homeowner's resolute defenses, she eventually departs from the scene, leaving behind an atmosphere of tension and mystery. In this daring and ill-fated heist Ring doorbell encounter, we capture a shocking act of burglary as two individuals boldly breach the security of someone's property. With a brazen confidence, they proceed to invade the house, ransacking it for expensive valuables. Unbeknownst to them, their every move is meticulously documented by the watchful eye of the surveillance camera. After successfully executing their operation, they make a hasty exit in a waiting vehicle. In this adrenaline-pumping Ring doorbell encounter, a man meticulously approaches someone's house. With a keen eye, he surveys the surroundings, blending into the shadows as he stealthily navigates from one spot to another. His intention becomes clear as he attempts to seize a valuable item left outside the house. However, just as he makes his move, the piercing wail of a security alarm shatters the silence, sending the intruder scrambling for cover and making a hasty retreat. In this heart-pounding Ring doorbell encounter, our cameras capture a tense and dramatic scenario as three individuals step out of their car and brazenly approach someone's property. With calculated intent, they survey the premises, seemingly intent on invading the house. Unbeknownst to them, the vigilant homeowner has been monitoring their every move through surveillance cameras. As the intruders attempt to breach the back door, the blaring sirens of the security system erupt, shattering the silence and sending the would-be trespassers into a hasty retreat. In this nerve-wracking Ring doorbell sequence, a man who, without invitation, stealthily infiltrates a particular apartment with the clear intent to steal a package left outside. Unbeknownst to him, every step of his intrusion is meticulously documented. Initially feigning departure, he suddenly reappears, seemingly engaged in conversation before making a calculated move to test if the door is left unsecured. In this unusual and potentially deceptive Ring doorbell encounter, a man confidently approaches someone's front door with hidden intentions. His actions raise suspicion as he repeatedly knocks on the door, all while disguising himself as a construction worker, seemingly hoping to avoid detection. In this deceptive and alarming Ring doorbell encounter, our cameras capture a man posing as a delivery person, standing at someone's door. However, his true intentions quickly come to light as he makes a bold attempt to break into the locked door. In this tense and harrowing showdown Ring doorbell encounter, a masked intruder approaches someone's property with clear intentions of breaking into the house. With repeated attempts, he seeks unlawful entry, unaware that the homeowner is vigilantly monitoring his actions through surveillance cameras. The stakes escalate dramatically when the homeowner, determined to defend their property, decides to confront the intruder. As both parties step out, a chilling standoff ensues, with both holding firearms, setting the stage for a high-stakes showdown.
Alright? Alright. It ain't gotta be like this, man. It don't gotta be like this. We can talk. I just wanna go on by my way. Hey, just chill for a minute. Just let me talk to you, alright? I'm gonna put mine down, you put yours down. Let's talk. I just wanna go on by my way, though. Hey, everything's gonna be alright, bro. All we gotta do is talk, alright? Hey, I done been there, dog. I done been on that side. All you gotta do is talk to me, dog. What's wrong, man? What's wrong? A lot of things going on. Alright, you gotta put that down, though, so we can talk. Let's talk about what you got going on. I promise you. Bro, I ain't gonna call the police or nothing. But you gotta talk to me, alright? You can't do it like this. Let's just talk, bro. You wanna make some money? Let's talk about making some money. Alright? Alright? This ain't the life you wanna live, bro. Come talk to me. Put mine down now. Come on in. Come talk to me, man. This is my brother, man. Alright, my little brother. Let's talk about your little brother in the house, dog. Let's get him out here. Alright?
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.